First of all, I would say that the biggest thing I do to be healthy is to be an artist, because I think that living a creative life is in and of itself a healthy act, not only for the person that does it, but for the community that person is in.
If you don't understand that the emptying out of yourself into a creative process has to be refilled with things, that you cannot just keep emptying, you have to take time to look at the rest of the world, to read things that aren't about your work, and you have to take time to look at things that maybe just make you happy, to walk around and be outside.
Having a robust and healthy social network, people that we can rely on for all kinds of things.
Having a balanced life and doing great creative work is a combination of mind, body, spirit. Same things that we would ask our students to do, we have to practice ourselves.
I think going out and having fun and spending time, not being a workaholic is important. Really scheduling time to be creative, making a part of your daily life.
Keeping yourself and your mind in a place where you can be creative, where you're not just kind of beat down by the daily doldrums, like keeping your head in a space where you can be creative and have that moment. So when the moment hits you, you're ready to act.
Recognize when you're pushing too far, when you need to pull back, and when you need to give yourself more of a challenge.
Healthy creativity is actually paramount. Getting enough sleep.
I really focus on sleep.
I'd say the #1 health impact would be sleep.
Sleep is really good for you. I love sleeping. Staying up all night isn't healthy.
We sit behind a computer all day and all night, and we're up till 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. Being able to step away from that process, and for me it's fishing or being outdoors. I can kind of go and check out for a while and kind of reconnect with nature and myself, then being able to refocus and come back stronger and making better work.
I like to walk a lot. I'm always the person that's like, hey, why don't we walk there instead? It's an amazing way to kind of just start the day. It makes me feel so much more invigorated.
I meditate. I've meditated twice a day since 1973. I've done yoga for 30 years. It makes me clearer, and I think that it makes me more present.
One of my specific practices is lap swimming at the YMCA in the morning. What I really like about it is that you have to be very intentional about how you breathe when you swim. It's a meditation space for me.
In my yoga practice, it is very repetitive and monotonous, so we do the same poses, the same practice over and over and over again. That has helped me to see that little by little progress is okay.
I have an active garden during the summer and a greenhouse. I really have learned a lot about patience by working with plants and have enjoyed that, but also that has provided food and healthy food and food without chemicals. So that has multiple benefits.
My exercise routine is lifting and sandbag work. Going into the gym really kind of helps stress relief for me. I'm burning some energy that might otherwise be built up inside me, and sometimes that energy, if I don't let it go, could end up going sideways, and I don't want to go sideways.
I run at least 3 miles every other day.
I ride my bike mainly to commute. I started in grad school. In my studio, I mainly sit. It's kind of static activity, getting a little bit clear my mind so I can teach better once I get here.
I use an app called Headspace that's really amazing. It's kind of a walk-through, transcendental meditation app. I use light therapy glasses, which look really weird, but they're basically LED lights that affect alpha brain waves that help you meditate faster and quicker, and they have different states that you can go into. It allows you to stay calm, for one. It allows you to be in the moment and stay in that moment for a longer period of time.
Hiking is moving. By moving, getting blood flow, I have much more creativity and ideas. And I come back kind of refreshed.
Advice I would have for students is to be kind to themselves, to treat this challenge of CCAD being a tough school with giving themselves plenty of time to recover, to connect with friends and family. Finding a balance is really challenging, but it's an ongoing daily struggle I think that all of us have to seek.